Good afternoon, Ashton here at Lancaster Honda. I'm the internet specialist here. We are a part of Coxsmoke Group here in the northwest of England. I'll be showing you this lovely Jazz Crosstar in ocean blue color. It's 1.5 self-charging hybrid, petrol engine. Really nice car, came off a nice customer. Showing you a walking around video and showing you any wear and tear on the car, and also the interior and all the functions it's got. So to start off with, we got this really nice automatic LED headlamp, projector headlamp with LED fog light. You do have front and rear parking sensors, 4 in the front, 4 in the rear. Really nice car, got this roof railings on top. Silver wing mirror caps, 16-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, really nice. That's the second wheel there. All 4 wheels nice and lovely. They've been refurbed. Our body shop team at Smart Fix. Got this LED tail lamp along with the fogs in them. Rear camera, parking sensors as well. Show you the boot space on this car. Really lovely boot space. You do get space down here. The seats do fold down all the way. Show you the interior. Got cloth interior in here. We do have standard Jazz magic seats. Let's give more. Sorry. There you go. It's locked. So yeah, they go all the way up or all the way down. We do have some USB ports down there to charge a phone. There's a third alloy there. Got keyless entry. Fourth alloy here. Units to wear and tear. Just have few stone chips in front, which will get buffed off by a body shop team. Nothing to worry about. Alright, I'll jump in and I'll show you inside. Is your keyless entry. All 4 automatic mirrors. Sorry, windows, and you got the mirror function as well. Down here we get parking sensors, Honda Sense, vehicle stability control, and your headlight settings down here. Start stop button, automatic headlights, auto rain sensing wipers. You do have cruise control, which is adaptive, and lane keep assist as well. On the left side you got your hands-free function, and for your driver display it's all digital as well. You can change it from here as per your preference to give more information about how much miles per gallon this car gives. Right, over here we have a 10-inch TFT screen. It's touch screen, navigation, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay as well. Heated seats for the driver and passenger. Climate control down here, USB and 12-volt socket, the automatic gearbox. You do have your rear parking camera. I'll show you in a minute. Here we go. Do have 3 modes for this parking camera as well. Got drive and you got braking mode as well. So you self-charge, well, it's the regen on the hybrid cars, so it sends more charge to the battery. Got your DAB as well, which is, there we go, FM, DAB there. Right, the car's with us. The car's done only 15,574 miles. Really lovely car. The interior is lovely. There's no wear and tear other than the stone chips in there. Full Honda history. With the cars with us, you get 1 year of warranty along with the 1 year of roadside assist. You get minimum 9 months of MOT and service. If it's not 9 months, we'll top it up and give you a full MOT. So feel free to get in touch or get to know more about this car or request a personalized video. Get in touch with our sales team and they will be happy to help you. Also, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future uploads from us. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.